Hey, car enthusiasts, welcome back to Mechanical Boost, where we break down all things automotive. If you're here, it's probably because your check engine light came on and your OBD2 scanner showing P0420 trouble code. In this video, we mainly discuss what P0420 code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how to fix it. So what exactly is the P0420 code? Simply put, it is a trouble code that your car's computer system triggers when it detects that your bank 1 catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should be. A catalytic converter is a device that reduces the amount of harmful pollutants in a car's exhaust system before they leave the vehicle. Now let's discuss the common causes of P0420 trouble code. 1. Faulty catalytic converter. Over time, the catalytic converter can become clogged, damaged, or simply worn out, reducing its efficiency. When the converter fails to operate effectively, it triggers the P0420 code as it no longer meets the required emission standards. 2. Faulty oxygen sensors. An upstream oxygen sensor and a downstream oxygen sensor are connected to a catalytic converter. These sensors work together to monitor the efficiency of the catalytic converter. If an O2 sensor is malfunctioning, it can send incorrect signals to the engine control unit, leading to a false reading of low converter efficiency, thereby triggering the P0420 code. 3. Exhaust leaks. A leak in the exhaust system, particularly before the catalytic converter, can allow excess oxygen to enter the exhaust flow. This disrupts the O2 sensor's readings and makes it appear as though the catalytic converter is not functioning properly. 4. Engine misfire. Misfires occur when the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders doesn't ignite properly. Unburned fuel then enters the exhaust system, which can overheat and damage the catalytic converter. Over time, the converter's efficiency decreases, leading to a P0420 code. 5. Faulty engine control unit. The engine control unit controls various functions including fuel injection and emissions control. If the ECU malfunctions, it might misinterpret data from the O2 sensors or other engine components, falsely identifying a problem with the catalytic converter and triggering the P0420 code. 6. Contaminated fuel. Low-quality fuel or certain fuel additives can contain impurities that clog or damage the catalytic converter. These contaminants can create deposits inside the converter, hindering its ability to convert harmful gases. 7. Damaged spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders. Worn-out spark plugs can cause incomplete combustion, leading to excess fuel entering the exhaust system, which harms the catalytic converter. To fix the P0420 code, firstly, inspect your catalytic converter properly. Look for any visible damage, discoloration, or excessive heat. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to replace it. Now check the oxygen sensors. Use your scanner to monitor their readings. If they're fluctuating too much, they might be faulty. Perform a simple smoke test to find any leaks in the system. If your engine is misfiring or running rough, addressing these problems first could solve the P0420. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides.